Hello, good morning, students. Now let us try to understand, students, that is 10 most important problem on that is dehydrohalogenation. Dear student, firstly let us have a meaning. What is there? Dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means D means removal. Okay, if you are having the term D means removal. Okay, what you are going to remove, student? Hydro. Hydro means what, student? Hydrogen. Hydro means hydrogen. Okay, now next one is halo. Halo means what, student? Halogen. So what we are going to remove, student? Dehydrohalogenation. So removal of hydrogen and halogen both are taking place, dear students, right? Now dear students, what you are going to find out, let us see the reagent. If you are talking about the reagent, so for dehydrohalogenation, that is the first reagent is alcoholic KOH. Okay, second reagent you can use. Okay, that is the C2H5 sodium, that is ethoxide, you can say, alkoxide, in where, student? In C2H5OH solution. Third point which we can take, student, that is the CH3O minus, that is sodium alkoxide, in that is methyl alcohol. Lastly, fourth number you can take, that is NaNH2. Okay, NaNH2 sodium amide. Okay, in liquid ammonia. Last one, fifth number, you can say KNH2 also you can do in liquid ammonia, right? Last, which is talking about, if you talk about this one, that is 3 degree alkoxide. Okay, Me3 and COK, or you can write that is CH3. Okay, Me3 will be here, student. CH3, okay, COK, 3 degree alkoxide. Okay, so this is going to give, student, Hofmann product. This is going to give Hofmann product. Okay, in this case you are going to get Hofmann product, while in this case, what you are going to get, student? Sedgef product. Sedgef product, that is also known as, or Jetsov product. Okay, Jetsov product, Sedgef, or that is Jetsov, both are the same, student, that you see. So we are going to use, that is alcoholic KOH, and trying to find out the what is going to happen here. So suppose I am having the example problem number 1. So that is, if I am having, that is this one. Okay, here is Cl, these are the hydrogen, these are hydrogen. Okay, if you are treating with alcoholic KOH, okay, I am taking, that is alcoholic KOH. So this OH will attack from backside here. So this bond is shifting here. So this bond is getting break here. So what is left here, student? Minus H2O minus Cl. What is left? It is, that is alkene is being formed, student. Right? Now, second problem, if you see here, second problem, you can take the 2 degree alkene, dear student, alkyl halide. So 2 degree alkyl halide, if you are taking, that is alcoholic KOH, right? So it will similarly, it will, water will loss minus Cl. So it will give, that is propene. Okay, if you see mechanism of it, student, if you are going to see the mechanism, so here it is like that, CH3, this is C, right? Here is the Cl is there, here is C, H, and H is there. So alcoholic KOH, OH, if you are taking, this OH is taking this hydrogen, this bond is shifting, this bond is going out. So what it is going to be, CH3, this is C, and here will be, that is double bond CH2, and here is hydrogen is there. So this is prop 1 in. This is the second problem. Now let us have a look over the next problem, students. Suppose I am having the example here this way, right? So two product is possible if you are treating with the alcoholic KOH. So what is the major product you are going to get? First one is like that, okay, plus second product which you are going to get, students, like that. So this is the major product, Sedgwick rule, major, or this is what is, student, that is the minor product, okay, this one. Now this is the what, here it was the halogen. If you are taking another example, student, this was the example if you are considering 2, this was the third. If you are taking, this is 4, what you will be able to get here, we are having the chlorine. If you are treating with the alcoholic KOH, so what you are going to get here, student, but 1 in and but 2 in. So but 2 in is our required product, student. But 1 in is not required. This is the 80% product and this is the only 20%, right? Now let us have a look over the another example, students. If you are having which one, fifth number. So fifth number if I am having, that is, students, this way 3 degree alkyl halide, this is CH3, this is also CH3, here is CH3, you are taking, that is alcoholic KOH only, so minus it will go KCl, minus it will go H2O. So what the compound it is going to give, CH3C, this is CH2 and this is CH3, okay. So this will give, student, 2 methyl, this is going to give 2 methyl prop 1 in, okay. So this is the product, students. 6 number example you can consider to be here, okay. No, not, let us see, this is not the bond line formula. If you are taking, you can be able to get confused here, so I am not taking bond line formula. Here I am CH3, this is CH, here is CH2, here is CH3, okay. This is, there will be the methyl shift, student, okay. Here is alcoholic KOH we have to take, and now the product should be having CH3, this is CH double bond CH, okay, and then it will be CH2, CH3. So that is, it will coming but, okay, 2 in, okay. This is the major product, okay. What would be the minor product, student? What would be the minor product? Minus product will be, that is CH2, here is C, okay, CH2, here is CH, right, again CH2, CH3. So that is but 1 in, this is our required product. Next one, students, here if you see CH3, then CH2, then CH2, then CH2, then Br, okay. Here we are taking, that is what, student, alcoholic KOH, okay. So if you are taking alcoholic KOH, so what the product you are going to get, dear students, this is example number what, student, 5th is over, this was the 6th number, this was the 7th number, okay. So what the product you will be able to get, student, CH3, this is CH2, then again you will be able to get what, student, here we have to put out the double bond, students, है we have to put out the double bond, and total number of carbon is how many, 4 are there, 1 2 3 4. So 2 is over, here is hydrogen, whatever the hydrogen we put, students, we have to take this one, okay. Now this is CH3, there is also CH, and this is CH3. So that is what is coming, student, but 2 in again, okay. Now students, what will happen, or you can write, this is the major product, this is our major, because 2 more alkyl groups are there, na, so that is why major. It is also possible the product is, no, CH3 CH double bond CH2, this is the minor, dear student, this is the minor, and this is but 1 in is minor product, right. Lastly, you see, students, lastly what is there, 8, question number 8, if you are going, problem number 8, This is the problem here they ask students. Okay, here is CH3. So this is CH2 and Br. You are treating with the alcoholic KOH. So dear students, here is this is the beta carbon. There is no hydrogen on the beta carbon, so it will not give the reaction. Okay, because there is no possibilities to eliminate the beta. Okay, to eliminate the beta hydrogen, so that this reaction, this in this equation, that is not being possible, dear students. If you try to understand some other example, students, let me have some other example. What the other example which we can draw it out? If suppose if I am having students, question number 9. Okay, so I am having already alkene are there, students. Okay, see, here is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. At the 4 position I am putting the Br, and this is the being to be 5, and you can put out to be 6. Okay, hydrogen is also here in the other color I am putting. Hydrogen is also here, okay, and you are taking that is alcoholic KOH only. So what the product you are going to get here? This will be the our, here is the double bond is there already, and next the double bond will come out to be here, students, right? Next double bond, that is the one product. This is known as isolated diene, right, student? Isolated diene. But what I am saying, student, our required product is, this is the minor, because this is the isolated. But what the product which is required to be correct product, student, the correct product is conjugated diene, that you have to take. So here will be the double bond. This is what is known as conjugated, conjugated diene. This is the our required product, dear student. Suppose, dear students, what I am saying, if I am taking another that is the aromatic compound. So question number 10, what I am saying, suppose it is the cyclic compound, not the aromatic, it is not the correct word. Here is, and here is Br. Okay, so that is, if you are taking that is alcoholic KOH, dear student, so how the bond will be shifting, how, what the product you are going to get, dear student? You are going to, our required product will be this major product, right? So this is the 10th number, students. I hope this is going to be helpful to you to understand these problems, dear students. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students, so that it can be helpful to me. Thank you, students.